Hi guys, I'm presenting a short video in which I will demonstrate how to boot an application written in C language at power boot before the system asks for a password in run level 1. So currently I'm in the desktop mode, and I have to do this because I have to shift from migrate from VG to Jessie, and Jessie and onwards onward systems. Operating system has altogether a different system for controlling the run levels. So I'm using the same command offered in Jessie to manage the boot application boot modes. And first of all, we will try to take a look at in which boot we are in. So you can see here it's a graphical target, and this is how Jessie and onward system are dealing with the boot level. And what we have to do, if you look at the documentation, that if you want to boot in run level 1, you have to select rescue.target. So we take a look at the list of the targets that are available. So currently we are in graphical target and it is now enabled, and it's a default target that is enabled. So when we switch from graphical to rescue, the default target will again be enabled and it will refer to rescue. So we take a look at it, where the rescue is it there or not. So according to the document, it should be there. So here it is. Currently is disabled, so we'll make it enable and see the effects. I'll jump out of it and set my default level from graphical to rescue. Wow, sorry for the mistake. Rescue.target. Okay, so now our default level has changed. We just check it whether it is changed or not. So you can see here it has changed from this, and we can easily now boot into rescue target, which is run level 1, and we do it now by using the same control file, and we say okay, reboot. So it is booting up right now. Let's see. So here we are at run level 1 and the system is asking for a password. We give a password to it, and here our system is ready. So what we want to do is that I have created a file hw.c which I want to boot at before this system asks for a password, so that whenever system is powered on and off, our application runs seamlessly. So I'll show you the file, but I use the same old faithful nano editor. So it shows the file that I'm. This file was giving error. Control X. Yep. And then we compile it. It compiled, and we run this software and take a look at it. So it's asking for a number, and I will give it a number, and then I exit from it. Now we are in run level 1 and we want to boot so that this program runs before the system asks for a password. So we go to the same library in which the rescue files are located. I'll find a command, yeah, over here. So we will list only the relevant ones. So if you want to take a look at the files, you can go and see how many target and services are here. So we added the rescue service and add our program execution command just before this login. So our application is in the root and its name is HW. We separate multiple logins by separating it with the semicolon. We save this program, yes, and we reboot the system again. There you go. So now the C program is running. I can enter some numbers and it will add it up, then again 99, whatever numbers you gave, it will enter. If you want to terminate your application, you terminate, and immediately it switch to other application, which is it is asking for a password. So this is how you manage your application, and this is how now you can switch back to desktop environment by using the old init file. You know already that is in the init file but addressed differently in Jessie. Although we have booted in graphical interface, but an actual, if we look at the default system, we are still in the rescue mode. So in order to change it so that future boot ups end up in graphical mode, we again set this as a target. So you can find many commands around it by setting the symbolic links and others on the internet, but this is a basic application which solves my purpose. So again we are in now graphical target. So this was a small demonstration. I hope you like it.